In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your profit and loss report in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or just starting out, having a customized view of your profit and loss can provide valuable insights into your financial health. So, let's dive right into it. To get started, you'll want to look over to the left side of your QuickBooks dashboard, where you'll find a tab labeled Reports. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to all the detailed financial insights QuickBooks has to offer, and it's going to be our first step in customizing your profit and loss report. Once you're in there, you'll see multiple tabs at the top. Click on the one that says Standard Reports. This tab houses a variety of pre-constructed reports that can be incredibly useful to your business operations. Now, all we need to do is find the specific report we're looking for. In the search bar within this tab, type Profit and Loss and select the report when it appears. Click on it and watch as QuickBooks generates your report, giving you a comprehensive view of your revenues and expenses. With the report in front of you, it's time to get into the customization. Direct your attention to the toolbar located at the top of the report. This toolbar is your best friend when it comes to tailoring the report to better suit your needs and preferences. On the left side of the toolbar, you'll see options to select the report date range or period. This feature allows you to view your financial information over specific time frames. Whether you're evaluating last month's performance or reviewing an entire fiscal year, select the dates that are most relevant to your current analysis. Now, shift your focus to the right side of the toolbar. This is where the customization really shines. Here, you can adjust filters, modify the sorting, and choose which columns you'd like to include. You might want to focus on specific income streams or hone in on particular expenses, whatever aligns best with what you're looking to analyze. Moreover, this is also where you'll find the option to enable comparisons with other time periods. Comparing different periods can provide trends and patterns that might not be immediately obvious, granting you a deeper understanding of your business dynamics. And just like that, you have a fully customized profit and loss report. Being able to tailor these insights to your unique business needs can greatly enhance decision-making and strategic planning. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough has helped you navigate the customization process in QuickBooks Online with ease. Keep exploring and make your data work for you.